Although Gotta Have It Race was built for the racetrack, this car does see a lot of street miles. We do drive it a lot at night. While the factory headlights in the 13 are some of the best ones that Ford ever produced, one of our factory bulbs is actually starting to have some issues, so today we're going to upgrade them with help from Diode Dynamics. These HID headlight bulbs from Diode Dynamics will be a direct replacement for the factory bulbs on your 2013 through 2014 Mustang or any 2007 through 2012 equipped with the HID option. They're also going to fit your 2013 through 2014 F-150, also when equipped with the HID option. These are a 6000K bulb, which will produce a nice bright white light. We're going to start on the driver's side. Passenger and driver's side are pretty much the same as far as difficulty goes. I'm going to push this harness to the side. You'll see right here it says open close on that gray cover. That's how you get to the headlight. Simply take this and turn. Pop the cover off. All right, here you can see the back of the headlight with the cover off. And the trick here is the plug at the very bottom. You have to remove that, and then you'll be able to see both clips to remove the bulb itself. Now, my hand's gonna get in the way, obviously. If you can't get the plug off with your fingers, there's no tab or nothing, literally just pull it down. A small screwdriver will also help. Now, if you look just next to the plug, it is very hard to see, but you'll see a shiny metal thing. There's one on each side. Those are the clips. Simply push them outward and the bulb will pop out. Once you get the bulb out, you'll actually be able to see the clips a lot easier. There you go. Now you can see the two clips on either side. You simply push them outward and it releases pieces in the center that allow the bulb to remove. When you put the new bulb in, you squeeze both of those into the plug and it'll lock it in place. Now here you're going to plug it in first, because again, you're going to push those tabs against the plug. Just be careful, make sure everything lines up. Once it's flush, pull these tabs over. Just got to make sure it is all the way in first. Push one, push two, they're locked in place. Now grab the cover. Line up the tabs, make sure you push it in so that it's sealed. And lock it in. Now, brightness should be about the same as the factory bulbs. These do have a little bit more of a blue tint than the original ones do, but they look really good on the car. Our new Diode Dynamics bulbs look great. I'm gonna guess they're probably cheaper than the factory HID bulbs would be from our Ford dealer. The installation isn't that hard. It's kind of hard to see in there, but trust me, once you pull that plug off, push those clips outward, pull the bulb out, put the new one in with the harness already on it, squeeze the clips and it'll pop right into place. The whole installation should take you about half an hour to 45 minutes. You'll be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.